Wood chipper is very useful to make wood chips quickly from logs and branches. Its main parts include frame, inlet and outlet, belt pulley, cutter plate, and motor. This first type of wood chipper with upward discharging can blow the wood chips into trucks or other storage tools. As for this type of wood chipper with downward discharging, can be set with conveyor for delivering the wood chips. The processed wood chips with a diameter ranges from 1.5 cm to 3 cm. Both of these two types of wood chipper can be designed with motor as well as a diesel engine and wheels. The wood chipper can be different models and also with different working capacities. Welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel to see more videos for charcoal machines.